your subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can easily temporarily delete your Instagram account. So for doing this, you just need to open your Instagram. Now just tap here. Just choose settings. In the settings, you need to find here account. Sorry, not account, but help. And you will find help center. Just tap on it. And now just write in the search temporary. Disable. Here you can see first option, how do I temporarily disable my account. So here you can see delete your Instagram account, just tap on it, and here you will see option temporarily disable your account. Just tap on it. Sorry, I just forget one thing. Just tap here on so you will see here delete your account. Just tap on it, and after you will see here temporary disable. Just tap on temporary disable, not follow delete, because it will delete your account, and if you choose temporary disable, it will disable your account. So now just choose a reason for what you want to disable, re-enter your password, and just tap on temporary disable account. So after it will successfully temporary disable your account. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.